Hisense U8Q MiniLED TV. Main features are Extreme Mini LED Pro backlight, outfitted with quantum dot color, QLED, and up to 2048 plus discrete local dimming zones on the 65-inch model. It achieves a dazzling, industry-leading peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits. Next-gen chipset and AI. Driven by the MediaTek Pantonic 800-powered High-View AI Engine Pro. Cinematic sound. Houses a robust, integrated 4.1.2 multi-channel audio system outputting up to 82 W of power. Industry-first USB-C DisplayPort. It is the first TV to feature an alternate mode USB-C port. Extreme refresh rates. Outfitted with 348 GB PS HDMI 2.1 ports that support native 4K 165 Hz console play. Wafifi.com, flatpanels.com, and variable refresh rates VRR. Up to 288 Hz via game mode Ultra. Elite 5000 nit peak brightness. Combines quantum dot color with up to 2048 local dimming zones to achieve blinding highlights and infinite contrast. Pro-grade USB-C input. Features an industry-first USB-C display port supporting 4K video playback at a highly smooth 165 Hz frame rate. 4.1.2 surround sound. Houses a massive, built-in 82 W multi-channel audio system with dedicated up-firing speakers and an integrated subwoofer. 4.1.2 channel with Dolby Atmos. Immerse yourself INALLTHE game sounds. Cheers from fans. Whistle blows from refs and calls from commentators. Native 165 Hz panel with Game Booster 288. Turbo power your gaming. The native 165 Hz panel has a variable refresh rate of 48 Hz to 165 Hz, almost as fast as your reaction time. AMD Free Sync Premium Pro, Auto Low Latency Mode, and Low Latency MEMC eliminate screen tearing and controller lag.